Hi guys, if you're one of those wonderful people who watch all my videos, you'll know what this is, but the chances are you won't. This is a little rocket launcher mechanism that I took out of a toy that I was scrapping. I had to actually split it apart because it was glued so we could see the insides. So that's the spring launch. And then this is the little trigger or catch mechanism. So there's a little spring there, little hole there. This is my first attempt at 3D printing the rocket. I haven't got it quite right, but that little bit slides through there, and because that's spring loaded, it catches in the ridge. And then when you push the button on the top, it releases it from the catch and it flies out. Just push it that way. So that's the idea. So that goes in, pushes all the way back until it catches in there, which is a bit difficult to demonstrate. So this is all going to fly apart when I let it go. Yeah. So I'm going to glue this back together the right way round. I notice that's got a bit of a bevel on the inside of it, so we need to push it the right way. And then I'm going to improve my 3D print, and then we'll see if we can actually get this to be launched by using a little radio controlled servo to press the button. That's my plan. So I'm going to push this back together. I'll put some glue on it, clamp it together, and in the meantime I'll 3D print another one of them. Here we go guys, all rigged up, absolutely no expense spent, just odd bits that I had laying around. That servo is actually 40, but it's good enough to do this. So I glued back together the little launcher thing. That's one of my rockets that I've 3D printed. I've 3D printed a few. That's the latest one. I haven't actually tried it yet, so we might try that in a minute. But this is good enough for a demonstration. I'm going to shoot the crackers. So I'll put the camera on the tripod so we can actually see it move. Right, so we've got a LiPo battery, ESC, servo tester, servo, rocket launcher. So we've got servo controlled. So obviously we could do this remotely with radio control. Just move that down till it presses the little button. It's quite powerful. Right, let's see if my latest printed version works. If I can get it off without breaking it. I need to trim the support off. Might need to rub it down a bit. Looks a little bit rough. It's in there. Are we ready? Yeah, I need to smooth that up a little bit, but it did work. Oh yes, that goes in much better. These ones I've had to file a little bit to get them to line up properly. I might as well just rig it up, get one of my transmitters and receivers out, hadn't I? Might be able to use this one. Can't remember which controller I've set this one up for. I'll go and find the controller. Right. Not the controller I had in mind, but it is the one that's already bound to that receiver. So it's on the steering at the moment. Okay, so remote controlled rocket launch or missile launcher. It actually missed the first time, didn't it? That's because I've only got it on the blue tack. It's moving around as I'm pushing that in place. I'll do that again. So, ready? Fire. I missed it again. Oh dear. That was a misfire. Jammed in the launcher. That's better. I wonder if I could rig it up to channel 3. I don't know what channel 3 does on this one. So, channel 3 on this one is this button here. It looks like it's a... that's all it does. Still, that would do it, wouldn't it? Yeah. Oh, got to release it. Yeah. Oh, misfire. So technically, we could weaponize this. Only a single shot, but it does work. I'll think about that. That'll do for now anyway. The principle works. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there. And you might like to subscribe over there.